Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Tech Coaching. Today we'll be discussing about normalization. Normalization is a process of organizing the data in database to avoid data redundancy, insertion anomalies, update anomalies and delete anomalies. That means normalization is nothing but arranging, that means organizing the data in database to avoid data redundancy. Data redundancy means repetition of data, and insertion anomalies. Anomalies is nothing but something that deviates from what is standard. So you have some protocol while arranging or organizing the data, right? So if that is not followed, that comes under insertion anomalies or update anomalies or delete anomalies. So to overcome this all these anomalies, we use the normalization concept. Now we look on to the update anomalies. If data are scattered, and are not linked, to each other, properly, then it could lead to strange situation. So this is about update anomalies. If the data are scattered and are not linked to each other properly, then it could lead to strange situation. So what is this? I will explain this with an example. Just consider a database. When we try to update one data items having its copies scattered over several places. Just think you try to update one data to a database which have its copies scattered over several places. A few of them get updated properly while a few others are left with old values. So this is because if the data are scattered or not linked to each other properly. So this situation happens if the data, that means data are scattered and are not linked to each other properly. So this situation may arise. So such instances leave the database in an inconsistent state. So we should always look on update anomalies. So next we will discuss on insertion anomalies, like when we try to insert data in a record that does not exist at all. So insertion anomalies, when we try to insert the data in a record that does not exist at all. So if there is no database in that name, so how can you insert any data into the record which doesn't exist at all? So this is about insertion anomalies. Next we'll look on deletion anomalies. So deletion anomalies, when we try to delete a record but parts of it was left undeleted. So when we try to delete a record but parts of it was undeleted, this may because of unawareness or the data is also saved somewhere else. So this may because of unawareness and the data is also saved somewhere else. So this is about delete anomalies. So in this class we looked about normalization, definition of normalization and the different anomalies. So normalization is a method to remove all these anomalies and brings the database to a consistent state. So in next class we'll look about first normalization form. Thank you for watching.